How to add soft subtitles to a video. First, go to Video and click on Open Video File and select your video. Now go to Video and click on Generate Video with added or removed embedded subtitles. Here you can see the video you added before, and you can click on this 3 dots button to change the video. Now click on Add button and add the subtitles you have for this video. I added 4 subtitles in English, German, Persian, and Spanish. On the right-hand side, you can remove a subtitle or remove all of them, or move a subtitle up or down. Subtitle Edit did a good job in finding the language of each subtitle for me, but if the language of a subtitle is not correct, just select the subtitle and click on Set Language and choose the correct language. To set the default subtitle, select the subtitle, then click on Toggle Default, and the default change to True. Now click on Generate button and save the video with embedded subtitles with the name you want. Now click here to open containing folder, and if I play the video, and right-click, in Subtitle track you can see the list of embedded soft subtitles that we added and select any one of them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.